Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. If you've been watching any of my other videos on this, the common theme throughout has been my concern about this thin candle. If we pull a rectangle shaded thing here through, was this imbalance. I mentioned a few times that I was expecting the market to reach into this level. So as it is, if we mark up from the low of that candle left, look where we are. That gap is more or less getting resolved as we speak. The question is, well, where to from here? Yeah, I mean, this has definitely been priced up. Bearish market. Well, what do we got here on the daily? Yeah, we're right there. If you're into the diagonals, okay, we'll go down to the 4-hour. This here, prior to this impulsive move, we'll just grab that. I'm going to mark these up on the. I've got a multi-chart layout here. I've just selected this icon over here so that we transfer these drawings over. But this is definitely a point of interest. This level here. I want to know if and when we trade into that. Okay, so we've got this 4-hour distribution level right there, and I mean from here it's difficult to say, you know, like from this time frame we could, I mean, we've got, if you have a look left, you could call these lows here. So we've got resistance sitting here testing it. We might bang up here a couple of times. We've got this diagonal, and now we're trading into the London Open. What is it, Thursday? My sense, and I'm making an assumption here, is that we might see this drop off. End of the week, the take profit, etc. I wonder if this is going to price down. So that's the consideration. With that in mind, yeah, it's not clean. I mean, it's just been pretty volatile all the way through here. You could grab a fib, I guess, and pull it from there to there. And the 61.8 to 786 could be a thing. Starting to see a little bit of a bearish candle here at the moment. Let's go down to the 1-hour. What does that look like? I mean, it's not telling me anything really, apart from it's pretty bullish. Let me just show you how, one way that I trade this. Let's just go back out. I've got a method. There's a method in my madness. Let me show you this. This is looks a little bit busy, but it's a 5-minute time frame, and we're looking at these guys here. Navigating the volatility. This is one way. Okay, there's a winning trade. By the way, guys, join my Discord group. The link is below. It's free to join, and it's a wonderful resource for traders. What we do with these is we wait for the market to come back. It's repainting, and it's done that. I've done that deliberately. The next candle will confirm whether this sticks or doesn't stick. But this, see this green line? This is a divergence. See the orange line? That's a weekly level of support. This is all on our indicators. We've got the dot, and what we do is we wait for the price to come back to the level, and we take it. Look at that trade. This is an ideal setup with these dots, but let's just have a look at these dots. You wait for it to come back to the level, there's your trade. Which one of these would you not want? It's easy. Comes back to the level, no technical analysis. Look at that. Gain access to the indicators, by the way. You can DM me. There's another one there. There's another one here. I mean, every one of these, we go back 20 of these, you'll find that got a pretty high success rate. I take profit early, all right, so that would have reached target 1. I can tell you now. I tend to actually not take them when they're in a steep trend like this. These are magic when the market starts to range sideways. I mean, look at that. Some charts are better than others. You know, that one, that's target 1 reached, definitely. But when the market's trending sideways, that one there, you don't take it. It's on a steep trend, so leave it alone. This is it. This is what you want. That's it. See this yellow line? Daily level. Market's ranging, trades down, overextended, and that's your trade. I mean, it's more of the same. These are pretty good. Guys, jump on board. Join my Discord. Gain access to the indicators. Before I go, where to from here? Well, I'm basically waiting for the next signal. That one, target 1 is already reached. And then we simply just trail the rest of it. Pull your stop loss down to be in the money. Enjoy the ride. Okay guys, with that, safe trading, and see you in the next one.